Well, I'm out here with a new drone, and my objective is enable it in the fucking controller. Son of a bitch. Forgot to do that. I was trying to put it in speed mode, but I can't. It's a little windy today, so something tells me I ain't gonna be able to stay out too long. But I'm returning to the scene of the crime where I lost my last drone. Getting high wind warnings, I'm aware of that. The only chance I got of finding it is from the sky. I didn't check everywhere over here. I had to get a replacement, which hopefully I can send back or sell. I didn't look over here. This is about where it went down. Something attacked me. People in all the forums say it might have been a bird. But the truth is, nobody knows. Just a lot of ground to cover. I gotta come out when the sun's a little higher. I'm not gonna see it in this where the sun is. We went down in this general area. I'm just going to skim over. I'm going to come back because it's hardly moving in the wind. But just to get it up there and look, because I'm looking for something orange. And I can't put it in speed mode because I'm flying it. And I have to enable it inside this stupid app. But this is where it went down. We looked for 4 hours on the ground and didn't see shit. So I don't know. There's a 50-50 chance just by the last position that the GPS had that it went in the water. There's a creek down there. So that's a possibility. That was right about here. It started spinning. I went all through here. I got to come out earlier during the day because there's no. I got to come out when the sun is up. Over. I went through here. I actually had to climb up. This is what I did. I went. There's actually a, right there, there's a deer blind where hunters hide to shoot deer. I saw that on the ground. So I came down here and Mike dropped me off in the car. Little did I know, just looking around to make sure no one's fucking walking up on me. I'm out here talking to myself. That right there is a big huge hill, and I didn't know it. I had to climb up. It was like 40 feet straight, not straight up, but good 45-degree angle. And I had my dog with me. 200 feet. Even if I spot it, I can't see it. Turn the exposure up. We went all through here. It's all gnarly down there too. Pricker bushes. Gotta watch the trees. I don't trust these fucking... I don't trust being over this area. I'm so fucking skittish right now. I'm afraid it's gonna crash again. Maybe I can spot it from the air. I don't know. Hopefully. We looked all through here on foot. So I'm just hovering around, hoping I'll spot it. Right to the center, there's a dead tree there. Right there in the middle, and that's where it said it went down, but as you can see, it's a fucking creek right there. It could have went in the water, and if that's the case, good luck trying to find that. I didn't look too hard over here, but I don't want to bug these people that live here either. They're fucking mad and shoot me down. It couldn't have gone any farther than this. Right around here. And that looks like something orange. Huh. Looks like it's too big to be my drone, but you never know. I'll check it when I get back. It could have went down there. We didn't walk down that far, so that's a possibility. Man, this time of day, it's a bitch getting the right exposure. Well, that is a legitimate place to look. Because I didn't get that far when I was walking or on foot. Vertical speed 0 miles an hour, barely moving. Bringing it back over me now. Keep it close. It's too windy. Doesn't feel windy, but it is. It's up pretty high. Otherwise, pretty nice day. Yeah, I'm just killing some time because I got a lot of juice in the battery. I walked in here and up to this dirt road, and there's the hill I had to climb. And down here, over here, there's signs on the ground warning about airborne lead. I'm like, what the fuck is this all about? So I had to, me at my age, climb up that fucking hill. Head over there. So it's the most likely place that it went down is behind the barns there. And then it could be, it could have went in the creek, but I don't know. We searched everywhere on foot from this area up to maybe 30 feet away from that barn, and we didn't see nothing. We found an old motorcycle helmet, some other junk, but no drone. It is one big fucking hill. This thing gives you some annoying ass fucking warnings. I don't know, like all the guys in the forums for the company that makes the drone, DJI, say it looked like a bird attacked it, a hawk. And there are plenty of hawks around here, I'll tell you that. See if we got any deer back here. Focus on infinity. I don't see nobody down there. My niggas ain't out. I was actually fucking nervous to fly here. Not because of the wind, because I'd just like skittish about getting attacked by a fucking bird again. I'm gonna bring them down now because it's windy. Where am I? this way. Yeah, flying a drone around. It's back. It's coming over in here, right? Be here in a minute. Yeah. It's a nice spot. It's open. You know, I don't want not. Yeah. Thank you. Are you a member of the church here? Oh, pastor. My name's Dennis, and I like coming here to fly my drone if you see me. All right. Nice to meet you. Take care. Alright. I met the pastor. That's about as good as getting blessed. There we go. Get a lot more battery when you don't fly in sport mode. He's hanging in the wind. He don't want to go down. So that's from his car. I lost my orientation. Where am I? There I am. Right over my head. I'm going to come down and land on that picnic table. Land on that table.
Landing.
There we go. D-dub out.